Add a little extra oomph to towing with your Dodge with the Airlift 1000 HD. Air springs work by reinforcing your existing coil springs to provide more support for heavier loads. Anyone who's ever towed a boat, trailer, or RV has possibly experienced the squat. A level vehicle means a safer and more secure ride for you and your family. The Airlift 1000 HD pair of heavy-duty molded polyurethane air springs are made to last. Specifically designed for the coil-sprung Ram 1500 lineup, these air springs deliver a whopping 2,100 pounds of load-leveling force at 50 psi. That's more than enough to conquer the more challenging trailer loads with the most support of any coil spring insert air spring available on the market. When not hauling heavy loads, the 1000 HD can be lowered to 5 psi for a comfortable, supple ride. You can have the best of both worlds. If you're interested in purchasing Airlift air spring or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.